Blue Arc Suit Fair Scout, the first ever scoutable 5-star, is back with an Arc Suit. Super excited for this pair. Another flying type unit though. We did Lugia first multi. Let's see when we get blue. Multi number 1, here we go. B-L-U-E. Number 1, Clay. 2 is Liza. 3 is Wake. 4 is Bruno. 5 is Lenora to the max. 6 is Maylene. 7 Liza. 8 Candice. 9 is Marshall. 10 is Wolfred. 11 is Gardena. Multi number 2. B-L-U-E. Number 1, Lieutenant Surge. Number 2 is Roxanne. 3 is Marlon. 4 is Janine. 5 is Gardenia. 6 is Olivia to the max. 7 is B to the max. 8 is Tate. 9 is Agatha. 10 is Seabold. 11 is Cheryl. Multi number 3. B-L-U-E. Number 1, Mac Thorio to the max. Haven't seen his unit for a long while. 2 is Liza. 3 is Gardenia. 4 is Wake. 5 is Marlon. 6 is Drake. 7 is Agatha. 8 is Bryson. 9 is Bugsy. 10 is Tate. 11 is Bugsy. Multi number 4. B-L-U-E. Lose him into the max, number 1. 2 is Mina. 3 is Wake. 4 is Bugsy. 5 is Mina. 6 is Addis to the max. 7 is Winona. 8 is Marshall. 9 is Cheryl. 10 is Seabold. 11 is Sophocles. How unfortunate, no blue yet.